le video live na poeina tu sao. Mai le ofisa o le malo, le ofisa o le parimia o Samoa.
Heads of states and governments, representatives of small island developing states, Ambassador Rabab Fatima, Undersecretary General and High Representative for the LDCs, LLDCs, and small island developing states, heads and representatives of CSOs, development colleagues, members of the clergy, representatives of the media, distinguished guests in the room and online. I extend to you all warm greetings from Samoa, though I am in transition spanning continents to get to Antigua and Barbuda, but will not be on the ground in time to greet you all in person. I nevertheless am happy to share congratulations with all of you who have been part of the Gender Equality Forum.